I wanna hear you say that you only want me.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing my 50,000 subscriber giveaway. I honestly cannot believe that we are to this point. If you've been with me for a while, you might remember that I actually started my channel because I was coming out of postpartum depression with my youngest son, and I really just needed something for myself. And so I started my YouTube channel as like a hobby, and I quickly fell in love with it, and I loved all the support and the love that you guys were giving me. So I've kept on with it, and it has just been such a blessing, kind of an unexpected blessing, but a blessing nonetheless. I am always looking for ways to give back to you guys and just kind of share the love back to you guys. So I am so excited to be sharing this with you today. I was hoping to make this be like a 30,000 subscriber giveaway, but then time got away from me. It was during the summer when we hit 30, and then I decided to push it into 40. I added a few more things to it. This time still got away from me, and now it is a 50,000 subscriber giveaway. But because I've been making you guys wait for a while, I really have kind of bulked up the giveaway and added a few extra things into there. So this is going to be an awesome one. I am so excited for whoever wins this. There's a lot of good stuff in here. Everything that I have included in the giveaway is kind of like my favorite things, and also things that are very useful, because if you know me, you know that I really love fun new things, but I also try to make sure that everything is very useful, because you can so quickly get into like so much clutter that just kind of takes over your life. So I have included things that are useful, but also a lot of fun. And also towards the end of this video is when I will be saying how you can go ahead and enter the giveaway, and I will also leave that information down in the description box below. So go ahead and check that out at the end. And now let's go ahead and see what I've included in this giveaway. So the first thing I am including is my diffuser. I have a few diffusers, but this one is probably my very favorite. I love the size of it. It is a 400 milliliter diffuser, so it will run like all day long, hours and hours. You can also set it to run for like 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, or just until the water and essential oils run out. But I love this one. I have shared this one with you guys before, and I know a lot of you guys have gotten it off of Amazon and love it. So I was excited to go ahead and put this into my giveaway. I know you guys will love this. It is such a wonderful way to smell your house up. You can really kind of play around with scents, and it's also natural, so you don't have to worry about like putting chemicals into your house or anything like that. And to go along with the diffuser, I actually got a Simply Earth recipe box. This one is from a few months ago when I was originally planning to do my giveaway, but I have been getting the recipe box for probably like 9 months or so now. I love Simply Earth. They have really high quality oils, and they are very affordable, especially compared to like other big brands that you know are very high quality oils as well. So I have been loving Simply Earth, and I love their recipe box as well. So I thought this would be a really fun one to go ahead and include into the giveaway. So I will just show you what is inside of this particular one. Let's see if I can do this without having everything spill out. So this one has ylang ylang oil, I can't say that, and sage, mandarin, which is one of my favorites. It's just like a citrus oil, and I love it. And then also camphor oil. And then it also has a few other things to make the different recipes they give you, and also the different recipe cards. So this will be a lot of fun for one of you guys, and you can also use this to start out by using it into your diffuser as well. So I have purchased all of these items on my own with my own money, but this one is actually going to be donated into the giveaway by someone that I recently met, and I got an item through her. So I'm gonna show you. It's this necklace. So you can get it engraved, and this is $59. She also has a more economical one that is just $29, but these are so pretty. I am so excited to have this. I have wanted a necklace like this for so long, and for some reason I just never got one. But I found her on Instagram, and she has just so many different designs, but they are amazing and I love them. The quality is really nice. This one is the rose gold, and then you can also get a gold or a sterling silver. So she has a lot of options on her website, but this is the one that she is going to be donating to you guys. So you can go ahead and pick which color you want, and then you can also pick which font you want, and then you get to personalize it exactly to whatever you want. So you can have like your kid's name, you and your husband's name, you and your best friend. Like, I mean, you can just The possibilities are endless, but you can really customize it and personalize it to whatever you want. And I am just so thankful that she was excited to be part of this giveaway because I really love giving you guys things that I love, and this is one of them. I cannot tell you. I mean, honestly, it looks pretty on camera, but it really does not even do this necklace justice. I can't ever get the lighting right, but it looks so, so gorgeous. The next thing I am including in this giveaway is ecloths. You guys know, if you watch my cleaning videos, I love ecloths so much. All you do is you just use water with them and they clean and disinfect because of the technology they have. I just love them so much. So these ones are probably my very favorite. I also use the all-purpose ones like every single day, but these are the glassing polishing cloths. So if you have stainless steel appliances, or like you can even use them on windows, mirrors, whatever, all you do is you just wipe down the surface with a wet rag, with like a wet cloth with water, and then you just dry it off and kind of polish it off with this, and it will keep it so, so nice and clean without any streaks. I love this one. So I decided to go ahead and include these, and this one is a 2-pack. The next thing I am including is this candle from Mrs. Meyers. Let's see if that will focus for you. This is actually something I got last year because I knew I was going to want to include it in a giveaway at some point. This is my very, 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 very favorite scent from Mrs. Meyers. This is the peppermint scent. I love all the fall scents they have going on right now, but I just love the peppermint. It's amazing. And this is actually a soy candle. So whenever I first got it, I thought, I'll try it out, but it's a pretty small candle. You can kind of see, like, compared to my hand, it's a pretty small candle. It's maybe a little bit bigger than the ones that you can get at Dollar Tree, but it is a soy candle, so it will burn for so long. Like, this little candle has 25 hours of burn time. And I have a candle that I got from TJ Maxx. Like, my regular candles, just the regular wax candles, they will burn and just go down, down, down so quickly. Whereas this one, like these ones, I will burn and it just kind of barely touches the wax, it seems. It will just burn forever. So I really, really love this. And they also are scented with like essential oils, so you're also not getting like those fake fragrances or anything, which I know smell good, but anything you can do a little bit more natural in your house is awesome in my book. So this is one of my very favorite candles. So the next item in the giveaway is just this little notebook, and it just says, "You're so lovely." I love having things with positive sayings because I feel like we are so hard on ourselves sometimes, and it's just really nice to see those positive things in our life and just kind of like remember that. So this is actually a notebook that I got from Ross. I love getting little notebooks from Ross or TJ Maxx, but I feel like Ross is a little bit cheaper, and I have so many of these in like with different pictures on the front. And then down on the bottom, it just says, "You're so lovely" again. But this is just a really pretty notebook, and I thought this would be really fun to include in the giveaway. So I am obviously sharing these in no particular order, but the next thing I have is actually a $25 gift card for Target. I love Target. I don't know anyone who doesn't love Target except maybe my husband, but that's just because I love to shop there and spend so much time there, that that's why he doesn't love it. But Target is awesome, and I figured even if you don't live near a Target, you can always order from Target online. So this is just perfect because then you can get whatever you want. So this next item is kind of funny, but it's just a business card holder from the Dollar Tree. But I've actually seen our Dollar Tree run out of these before, and so I figured I would just include this. I have been using this for years, not for business cards at all, but to put my phone here, whether I'm doing my makeup or I'm sitting there doing dishes, I just put it down on the counter or up on like the windowsill or something, and you can put your phone here and watch something or FaceTime or whatever you want to do, but then it's just a really good hands-free way to use your phone while you're doing those things that are kind of like mindless. You're not really thinking about them, and you just kind of want to occupy your time a little bit more. So I've decided to go ahead and include this little business card holder. So the next thing I am including in the giveaway is just this little sink caddy, and I get questions about this in probably every single cleaning video that I have. So it just has these little suction cups on the back, and all you do is you just stick it right to the side of your sink, and then you can put your sponges or whatever you need in your sink, and it keeps them from getting yucky or anything, or just sitting in the bottom of your sink. I feel like it just keeps your sink a little bit cleaner and more organized. But I do get questions about this all the time. I have found these on Amazon. You can also get them from Walmart, I think, but this one is just from Target, and I do like that it has like just the shape of it, so you can put like a sponge here, and then you can put like a sponge brush with a handle on here and go in this little hole. So I really like this one, but I decided to go ahead and include this just because I do get so many questions about it. What? Hi. Hi. Do you want to come sit with me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You can be part of the giveaway?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, look. Look, you're in the camera. Hi. All right, I have a little helper with me now. Do you like seeing yourself? Are you ready? So the next item that I'm going to be sharing is probably my most asked about item that I get. You want to show them what this one is?
Yeah.
Show it to them. Say this.
This.
This is our item. So it is the it is the Bubble Up dish brush, and this is. Do you want to sit with me, or you want to go play?
Play.
Okay, go play. This is what it's like recording with the kids at home, which is just kind of what you have to do. You got to make it work, but it's all good. Okay, so the next item that I'm going to be sharing is probably like my most asked about item, and this is one that I actually get from Grove Collaborative, but this is just the Bubble Up dish brush. This is actually in a different color than the one that I have because I actually got this one off Amazon because Grove Collaborative does go out of stock of this item quite a lot. So I did get this one on Amazon, but you can find it usually the two places. If it's not on Grove, then it will be on Amazon. So anyway, I use this all the time in probably every single one of my cleaning videos. Anytime that I'm cleaning something in my kitchen or my dishes, I will be using this brush. All you do, it just has this little ceramic base down here, and all you do is you just put a little bit of your dish soap and then some warm water, and then anytime you want to use it, you will just kind of push this down. It has a spring inside there, and so you just push this down, and it really like suds up all the dish soap, and you're able to scrub your dishes that way. I feel like the brush on it is it's not like a rough abrasive, but it's abrasive enough that you're able to scrub off any yucky food that you have on your dishes. And I feel like I save so much dish soap with this because I felt like before I was just using so much and I was going through it so quick, and this has really made my dish soap really stretch. Honestly, it almost makes it stretch a little bit too much. I was telling my husband the other day, I'm like, the only complaint I have about this is that it kind of almost stretches my dish soap too much. I can't like finish the scents before I want to try a new one because it will make the dish soap last for so long, which is a good thing, but I just get excited about like the different scents that I can try. So that is my only complaint, but honestly, this is like one of my very, very favorite items, and I use it all the time. So I'm excited to be able to give this to one of you guys. The very last item that I am including in this giveaway is something I know you guys are really excited about, because whenever I asked what kind of items you guys would be interested in seeing, this was something that came up so many times. I've used this for a long time. This is my very, very favorite cleaning brand or like scented cleaning brand and scent for sure. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know what it is, but it is the Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli. And this is the room spray. This was out of stock on Grove for months, I feel like. Months and months. It is the best scent ever. Someone told me and I felt like, oh, that really nails it, but it's almost like beachy meets men's cologne, which I actually feel like that doesn't, I mean, it sounds like it once you smell it, but I don't know if that really sounds good. But you guys have like messaged me saying, oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you recommended this because you guys have tried it and loved it. This is hands down my very, 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 very favorite scent of like a cleaning product that I've ever smelled in my life. I know I'm getting so excited about cleaning products, you guys, but whenever you love a cleaning product and you just love it so much, like the smell makes you happy, it makes you more excited to clean. And as a mom of 3 little boys, I have a lot of cleaning to get done in this house, so anything that makes me more excited about it is a winner in my book. So whenever I saw that this was back in stock on the Grove website, I jumped and I grabbed one, and I grabbed another one for my house because I have been out for a while, and I am so excited to be able to share this with one of you guys. I hope you guys will love this as much as me, but this is just a room spray, so you can go ahead and spray it throughout your house or leave it in a bathroom or something, anywhere that you just want a little extra scent. This stuff is amazing. So that is everything that will be in this giveaway. I know it's a lot of stuff, but there are a lot of things that are just really useful and also things that you guys are really going to enjoy. So I am so excited to give this to one of you guys. Now, as for the rules for the giveaway, I will just have a link down below, but the first thing that you have to do is of course be a subscriber, because this is a subscriber giveaway where I'm just giving back to you guys for your support and your love. I'm also including a few other options on how to get extra entries into the giveaway, so I will include all that information down below in that link as well. So good luck, you guys. I am so excited. This giveaway will end in 1 week, and I am just so excited to be able to offer this to you guys. Thank you again so much for all of your love and support. You guys have no idea what it means to me, and just that you guys have been able to give me this outlet and give you guys share my life with you guys. I just feel so blessed by all of your love. So thank you so much. All of this would not be possible without you guys. So I really just want you to know how much I appreciate you guys. So I hope you guys just have an amazing day. Do not forget to go follow me over on Instagram as well if you are not already, because I have kind of cut down my videos to just like 2 or 3 a week, just to kind of soak in a little bit more time with my little ones and not be so focused on being on here all the time. But I am over on Instagram almost daily, just sharing a little bit more personal things. So definitely go follow me over there if you are not already. I will leave my Instagram up here for you guys, and I will see you in my next one.